Google is preparing to release its new AI to challenge OpenAI's ChatGPT, which could be called Sparrow. Google DeepMind's Sparrow AI model may soon enter beta testing, but this potential development raises the question of whether this is Google's solution to the innovator's dilemma, which is the propensity for entrenched market leaders to crumble in the face of sudden disruptive innovation like ChatGPT from OpenAI. The overwhelming positive public response to ChatGPT is concerning for Google because it can answer questions in a way that may challenge Google's core business model, which is its search engine. Prior to the release of OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google had developed large language models for dialogue, such as Lambda and Flamingo, as well as an AI chatbot shown at the end of 2020 called Mina, which is capable of having credible conversations with humans. However, Google has seriously fallen behind on actually releasing a product based on this research. According to Google, the main reason for this is due to security concerns, but skeptics say there may be other factors at play as well. The success of ChatGPT and Microsoft's involvement in OpenAI is putting even more pressure on Google to prove that it can either match or surpass these impressive capabilities. Google DeepMind says their AI chatbot named Sparrow may start its private beta later this year, which is significant because DeepMind has a history of researching and developing various artificial intelligence models that are then integrated into Google's consumer products. In September 2022, when DeepMind unveiled Sparrow, it revealed that the chatbot was trained with human feedback to make it more accurate, helpful, and safe. Plus, it has the ability to access the internet via Google, enabling it to include current information in its responses. The beta version of the chatbot is also slated to provide additional sources that align with the AI's answers. Sparrow is built on DeepMind's Chinchilla language model, which has a smaller number of parameters compared to OpenAI's largest models, but has been trained with a large amount of data. The Chinchilla language model, which was introduced in April 2022, has performed better than GPT-3 on common language benchmarks. However, ChatGPT is based on the more advanced GPT version 3.5. Despite this, it is likely that Sparrow will perform similarly or better than ChatGPT, and Google has even more advanced language models available like Palm. One may wonder why Google has not yet released a similar model to ChatGPT or even responded to it, despite having the capability to do so. The reasons given by Google for this, such as concerns about the reliability and security of large language models, are credible and likely play a role. At the scale at which Google operates, a chatbot that spreads misinformation or hate speech would be a significant risk to the company's reputation. Additionally, creating a chatbot that is so believable that people think it's conscious could also be a significant liability. Furthermore, while ChatGPT's user base is rapidly growing, it still has only a fraction of Google's user base. It may be that Google is currently facing the innovator's dilemma, which is a term that describes a situation where established companies struggle to adopt new technologies or business models that directly disrupt their existing products. The problem here is that while large companies like Google often have the resources and capabilities to take advantage of new innovations, their existing customer base and internal processes can make it difficult for them to do so, which can lead to their downfall as smaller, more nimble competitors enter the market, like OpenAI. For instance, Google's core business is its search engine, which is still highly profitable and continues to grow, generating significant revenue from displaying search results pages. On the other hand, a search chatbot would require a completely different monetization strategy, and it's uncertain whether it would be as profitable as Google's current search engine. While Google could potentially launch a successful and profitable chatbot, if the profits are lower than its current search, the company would still be at a disadvantage. This is the company's current dilemma, but a possible solution for Google could be to launch a commercially oriented chatbot via its sister company, DeepMind, and create its own competing product to Google Search and OpenAI, which is where Sparrow comes into play. But Sparrow isn't the only breakthrough artificial intelligence being developed by Google DeepMind, as it also just unveiled its new Dreamer v3 multi-domain general AI model that does tasks without even needing human data. DeepMind's Dreamer v3 is a cutting-edge reinforcement learning algorithm that can accomplish tasks in Minecraft without human input and, for the first time ever, can collect diamonds in the game without the use of data from human experts or pre-designed training. Additionally, it can be applied to a wide range of other reinforcement learning domains. Existing algorithms can complete various tasks across different domains, but they often require significant adjustments for each task. This goes against the concept of general intelligence, which should be able to handle a wide range of tasks without modification. Dreamer v3, however, is a general and scalable algorithm with fixed parameters, requiring less expertise and computational resources to apply reinforcement learning to a problem. This algorithm can be applied to a variety of domains, including those with different types of actions, inputs, and environments. Dreamer v3 can play 55 Atari games, control robotic arms in simulations, and complete tasks in virtual worlds like Minecraft. It relies on 3 neural networks to operate. The world model, which learns representations of sensor input and predicts potential future rewards for actions. The critic, which assesses the value of each situation. And the actor, which learns how to reach situations that maximize value. The algorithm was tested by DeepMind across 7 domains and over 150 tasks against other leading algorithms, many of which were specifically designed for those challenges. Despite using fixed parameters, Dreamer v3 performed well in all tests and was even superior to the previous leader in 4 areas. The previous version, Dreamer v2, performed weaker. The team has documented the differences between the 2 versions in their paper. In Minecraft, Dreamer v3 was able to mine diamonds, which is extremely impressive because it requires performing multiple intermediate steps, such as gathering resources and creating tools. Other AI models have achieved this before, but OpenAI's VPT required over 70,000 hours of Minecraft gameplay videos and was trained for 9 days on 720 NVIDIA V100 GPUs. Dreamer v3, however, was able to learn how to collect diamonds in just 17 days on a single V100 GPU without human data. The team claims that the algorithm also performs well when scaled up, showing improved results in various benchmarks and more efficient use of data. Along with artificial intelligence breakthroughs involving software, there are also AI breakthroughs driving hardware, such as a new AI-powered exoskeleton for the workplace. German Bionic, a wearable technology company, recently unveiled its AI-powered exoskeleton suit at CES 2023, which it calls the Apogee. This cutting-edge robotic exoskeleton is designed for the workplace and provides up to 30 kilograms of lifting power to support the wearer's lower back and assist in walking. The exosuit also generates data for employers to improve safety in the workplace and aid in lifting movements, plus prevents bad posture, protecting individuals from overexertion and injuries. The built-in smart assistive system also alerts users when they need to take a break or when they are lifting incorrectly, leading to less time off work due to illness or accidents and happier and more productive employees. The AI-powered exoskeleton is expected to be offered on a hardware-as-a-service subscription model with a starting price of $499 per month.